In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam Webhelper not responding issue, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. If you've been struggling with this annoying problem, don't worry, I've got a step-by-step guide that will have you back gaming in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your task manager. You can do this quickly by pressing Ctrl, Shift and S on your keyboard, or simply right-clicking your taskbar and selecting Task Manager from the list. The Task Manager is a handy tool that shows you all the programs running on your computer, and it allows you to manage them efficiently. Once you have the Task Manager open, locate the Steam client Webhelper. You might notice multiple entries since Steam tends to run several background tasks for optimal performance. Now right click on any instance of the Steam client Webhelper that's listed. Once you've right clicked, go ahead and select End Task. This action will terminate the process immediately, but don't worry, it's a safe procedure and will clear any temporary issues causing your Steam Webhelper to become unresponsive. After you've ended the tasks, you can close Task Manager. With that done, head back to your desktop and use the search bar at the bottom to search for Steam. Once the desktop results appear, right click on the Steam program icon and select Open File Location. You may need to do this step twice, as sometimes the search results provide a shortcut rather than the actual folder. So, again, from this folder, right click on the Steam icon and select Open File Location once more. This will direct you to where Steam is installed on your computer. Now that you're in the Steam folder, right click on the Steam executable file. It will usually be labeled simply as Steam. Then select Properties from the drop down menu. A new dialog box will open up displaying various options. Navigate to the Compatibility tab, where we're going to make a couple of important adjustments. Inside the Compatibility tab, first, check the option labelled Run this program in compatibility mode. This can sometimes help resolve operational hiccups by running the program with settings from a previous Windows version. Right below, you'll find another checkbox that says Run this program as an administrator. Make sure it's checked. This ensures that Steam always runs with the necessary permissions to function smoothly. After ticking these boxes, click on Apply, then OK to save the changes. Now that we've updated the settings, a restart is in order. Go ahead and restart your computer to let these changes take effect. Once your system is up and running again, launch Steam and you should find that your Webhelper is responding as expected. And there you have it, a quick and simple fix for the Steam Webhelper not responding issue. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.